Hello Primary 2, how's it going? Today we will study about P and G ending sound. So now please prepare your pupils book page 50. Look at this. Ending P sound. Yeah, the word are cap, hop, and then zip. Yeah, and then you have to listen to the rhyme. Listen for the ending P sound. I will give you a sip of my soda pop if you promise that after the sip you will stop. Okay, next, part 21. Listen and repeat. G ending sound. Mark, Jack, and then frog. And then listen to the rhyme. Listen for the ending G sound. When you pull out the plug, the water goes glug. Now we are going to move to page 51. Review. This is shorts. And then this one, blouse. And then part C is skirt. Part D is socks. Yeah, there are socks. And then E is night dress. And then part F is pajamas. Yeah. Okay. Part 2, fill in a blank the article an, and the, and then possessive s, yeah. Part A, Anne has blah 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 pink t-shirt. Pink, yeah, look at this. Not a vowel, so just yeah, a pink t-shirt. And then part B, that is blah 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 old dress. Look at this. This one is vowel, so we have to choose an, yeah, an old dress. Part C, I have a new blouse. And then blah blah blah. Blouse is red. So the, yeah. Part D, whose jacket is this? This one, Ben, yeah. That is possessive, Ben's jacket. And then whose shoes are these? This one is Pat, yeah. So those are Pat's shoes. Okay. You will continue our workbook page 43 until 44, yeah. Bye bye. See you.